AirTags are here. On Tuesday, Apple finally unveiled its Bluetooth tile-like tracking device that we have been talking about for a very long time, and now we can finally talk about them for real. Now, before I jump into my thoughts on AirTags, please note that if you are interested in ordering an AirTag, they will go up for pre-order tomorrow, April 23rd at 8 a.m. Eastern, 5 a.m. Pacific. So these AirTags will be priced at $29 for one or $99 for a 4-pack. However, you'll probably want some keychain attachments, and Apple offers a few options that go anywhere from like $30 to $450 if you really want to spend that much on an Hermes keychain. There is a Belkin option for like $12.95. That's probably the best route to go just for, the sake of saving money. But, you can also spend $450, so who am I to judge? The AirTag is a small button-shaped tracking device with a glossy white front made out of plastic that can be customized with an engraving, so you can add emojis or text, and a silver stainless steel backing. AirTags are designed around the CR2032 batteries that are inside, and you can easily replace them yourself, and you'll need additional accessories to attach them to an item, otherwise you'll just lose your AirTag. We'll do a hands-on video with AirTags soon, but in a nutshell, you place one of these round white pucks on your keys, your wallet, backpack, etc., and then you have access to track them via Find My application. You can ask the tag to play a sound in order to help you identify where in your house it might be, and there's also a super useful feature called precision finding. When you go into precision finding, you need to be about 30 feet away for this to really start working well. You'll see a UI on your iPhone that literally guides you directly to that AirTag, down to like a couple of feet. This is all thanks in part to ultra wideband technology. There's even haptic feedback along with this mode to really give you a heads up that you're getting closer and closer. Now, what will really make AirTags useful is the already existing ecosystem of Apple products roaming around the globe. When your AirTag comes in contact with a nearby iPhone via Bluetooth, those iPhones will communicate with the AirTag and help update its location as it moves along or wherever it might be when people are in passing. If you come across a lost AirTag, or if someone comes across your lost AirTag, it can be scanned with any smartphone that you have, anything that's equipped with NFC to bring up contact information. So this will work with iPhones and an NFC Android phone. So if you find an item, you give it a scan and you can locate the owner along with the message. Maybe there's a phone number. And if you place it in lost mode, the AirTag will also relay its location back to the owner through the Find My app. If you're worried about privacy, Apple has a whole section on its website dedicated to this to kind of help calm your nerves. But one of the interesting things that I've noticed is that if someone tries to slip an AirTag in your bag or underneath your car or in your car without you knowing, your iPhone will pick up on that, send you a notification that there's an unwanted AirTag nearby, and it'll even play a sound to really tell you that, hey, there is an AirTag that doesn't belong to you that's right next to you. Again, we'll be going hands-on with one of these guys very, very soon, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss that video, along with all of the other products that Apple announced at its event. We'll be going hands-on with those very, very soon. This has been Dan with MacRumors. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you around in the next video.